I've tried literally all the active ingredients I could think of that could work on my acne, but for some reason my acne keeps reoccurring. I don't know why. Maybe I'm using too much active ingredients. So today we are going natural because I have seen a lot of reviews on the internet that rice water is really good for your acne, visible bumps and redness. So we're going to give it a try today. There are many ways you can do the rice water for your skin, but I'm gonna do the easiest one, which I have seen, the rice water toner. Very easy to do, so I'm gonna do it, try it for a week to see how effective it's going to be on my acne. Pour water inside just to cover and not to cover here. Okay, then I think we are going to be waiting for 10 minutes so that it will soak. 10 minutes is up, so let's get into the video. This is the rice and here is my toner. I'm going to get a cotton pad. I'm just going to use this and use it to clean my face. So after that I'm going to store it in the fridge. I'm going to do this every morning. I don't know if I should be doing it at night too, but I'm just going to apply it and leave it on my face, then apply moisturizer afterwards. That's it for today. See you tomorrow morning. My face hurts here. My pimple actually fresh, but you can barely notice that it's fresh, but it's hurting me so bad. And the one here. So I hope this works. I'm praying with all my heart that it works, because all these people on the internet says that it works. So I just hope that it works. Good morning. It's so super easy to do, and it fell. So I think that's it for today's video. I think it's high time I lose my hair. I look like crazy. I've been thinking of doing it, but I'm just so tired. I've been so busy lately. I don't have time to go to the salon at all. But I might do it myself later in the day. Good morning. It's day 5 and I'm feeling super grateful today because I think my skin is getting a little bit better than it was. So, but the sun is on my face, so you can't really tell, because sun knows how to hide bad skin. Let's just wait till the end of the video to see the results. This is day 5, 2 more days to go. This is day 6 of using the rice water. This is day 7, and honestly I can't tell if my skin got better, because I think I'm even developing an active pimple here, if you can see. So right now I can't really tell how my skin is feeling, because this is the roller coaster of it. I don't know, I'm speechless. But I'll put a before and after picture so that you'll help me decide whether I did anything. But I don't know. I don't know if he did anything to my pimple or not, because I know it did nothing to my pores. My pores are still very much there. Day 7.